Hey there, fruit lovers! Today we're going to talk about some of the best fruits for your health and a few that you might want to eat less often. Fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but not all fruits are created equal when it comes to your health. Let's start with the top 9 fruits that can give your body a real boost. First up, we have blueberries. These little blue powerhouses are full of antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Blueberries are also great for your brain. Studies have shown that eating blueberries regularly can improve memory and slow down brain aging. Plus, they're delicious in smoothies on top of yogurt or just by the handful. Next on our list is the mighty apple. You know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, there's some truth to that. Apples are rich in fiber, which is great for your digestion and can help you feel full longer. They also contain a compound called quercetin, which can help boost your immune system. Apples are easy to carry around for a quick snack, and they come in so many varieties that you're sure to find one you love. Third, we have oranges. These citrus fruits are famous for their vitamin C content, which is great for your immune system. But oranges have a lot more to offer. They're also high in fiber and contain other nutrients that are good for your heart health. Eating oranges regularly might help lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Plus, they're a refreshing snack on a hot day. Fourth on our list is the avocado. Now, some people might not think of avocados as a fruit, but botanically, that's exactly what they are. Avocados are unique because they're high in healthy fats. These fats are good for your heart and can help your body absorb nutrients from other foods. Avocados are also packed with fiber and potassium. They're great on toast, in salads, or made into guacamole. Fifth, we have strawberries. These red berries are not only sweet and delicious, but they're also really good for you. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and contain compounds that might help reduce inflammation in your body. They're also good for your heart and might help control blood sugar levels. Try adding strawberries to your morning cereal or blending them into a smoothie. Sixth on our list is the pomegranate. This fruit might be a bit tricky to eat, but it's worth the effort. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, even more than green tea or red wine. These antioxidants might help protect against heart disease and cancer. The seeds of the pomegranate, called arils, are also a good source of fiber. You can eat them on their own or sprinkle them on salads for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Seventh, we have kiwis. These fuzzy little fruits are nutritional powerhouses. They're high in vitamin C, fiber, and potassium. Kiwis also contain an enzyme that can help with digestion. Some studies have shown that eating kiwis regularly might help improve sleep quality. You can eat kiwis on their own or add them to fruit salads for a tangy twist. Eighth on our list is the grapefruit. This citrus fruit is known for its slightly bitter taste, but it's packed with health benefits. Grapefruits are high in vitamin C and fiber. They also contain compounds that might help lower cholesterol levels. Some studies have shown that eating grapefruit might help with weight loss. Just be careful if you're on any medications, as grapefruit can interact with some drugs. Last but not least in our top 9 is the humble pear. Pears are often overlooked, but they're actually really good for you. They're high in fiber, which is great for your digestion and can help you feel full. Pears also contain antioxidants and compounds that might help reduce inflammation in your body. They're a great snack on their own or can be added to salads for some sweetness and crunch. Now that we've covered the top 9 fruits for health, let's talk about 7 fruits that you might want to eat less often. These fruits aren't necessarily bad for you, but they have some drawbacks that make them less ideal for regular consumption. First on this list is canned fruit. While canned fruit can be convenient, it often contains added sugars or syrups that can add extra calories to your diet. The canning process can also reduce the vitamin content of the fruit. If you do eat canned fruit, Look for varieties packed in water or their own juice rather than syrup. Second, we have dried fruit. Now, dried fruit can be a tasty snack, but it's easy to overeat. When fruit is dried, it becomes more concentrated in calories and sugar. For example, a cup of fresh grapes has about 60 calories, while a cup of raisins has over 400 calories. If you do eat dried fruit, stick to small portions. Third on our list of fruits to limit is fruit juice. While fruit juice does contain vitamins, it's also high in sugar and calories. When you drink juice, you're missing out on the fiber that you'd get from eating whole fruit. This fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. If you do drink juice, stick to small amounts and try to choose 100% fruit juice with no added sugars. Fourth, we have coconut. While coconut water has become popular as a health drink, coconut itself is high in saturated fat. This type of fat can raise your bad cholesterol levels if eaten in large amounts. Coconut also doesn't have as many vitamins and minerals as many other fruits. If you like coconut, it's okay to eat it occasionally, but it shouldn't be an everyday food. Fifth on this list is fruit canned in heavy syrup. This is similar to regular canned fruit, but even higher in added sugars. The heavy syrup adds a lot of extra calories without any nutritional benefit. If you're buying canned fruit, always choose varieties packed in water or their own juice instead. Sixth, we have fruit snacks or fruit leathers. These might seem like a healthy snack, especially for kids, but they're often more like candy than fruit. Many fruit snacks are mostly sugar and artificial flavors with very little actual fruit. They also stick to your teeth, which can increase your risk of cavities. If you want a fruity snack, you're better off eating whole, fresh fruit. Last on our list of fruits to limit is fruit-flavored yogurt. While yogurt itself can be healthy, many fruit-flavored varieties contain a lot of added sugar. Some have more sugar than a candy bar. The fruit in these yogurts is often more like jam than fresh fruit. If you like fruity yogurt, try buying plain yogurt and adding your own fresh fruit instead. Now, you might be wondering why some fruits are better for you than others. A lot of it comes down to sugar content and how quickly that sugar is absorbed by your body. Fruits that are high in fiber tend to be better because the fiber slows down the absorption of sugar. This helps keep your blood sugar levels more stable. The color of a fruit can also tell you something about its nutritional value. Deeply colored fruits like blueberries, strawberries, and pomegranates tend to be high in antioxidants. These antioxidants not only help protect your cells from damage, but can also have anti-inflammatory effects in your body. Another factor to consider is the glycemic index of a fruit. The glycemic index measures how quickly a food raises your blood sugar levels. Fruits with a lower glycemic index, like apples and berries, are generally better for your health, especially if you're watching your blood sugar. It's also worth noting that whole fruits are almost always better than processed fruit products. When you eat a whole apple, you're getting fiber, vitamins, and minerals along with the fruit's natural sugars. But when you drink apple juice, you're getting mostly sugar without the beneficial fiber. Now, this doesn't mean you should never eat the fruits on our limit list. All fruits can be part of a healthy diet when eaten in moderation. The key is to focus on whole, fresh fruits most of the time and treat the others as occasional indulgences. One great way to incorporate more healthy fruits into your diet is to make them easily accessible. Keep a bowl of apples or oranges on your kitchen counter where you can easily grab one for a snack. Cut up melons or pineapple and store them in the fridge for a quick and refreshing treat. Add berries to your morning cereal or oatmeal for a nutritious boost to start your day. You can also get creative with how you use fruits in your meals. Try adding sliced pears to a salad for some sweetness and crunch. Use mashed banana as a natural sweetener in baked goods. Make a fruit salsa with diced mango, pineapple, and kiwi to serve with grilled fish or chicken. For kids or adults who might be picky eaters, you can try making fruit more fun. Cut fruit into interesting shapes using cookie cutters. Make fruit kebabs for a colorful and easy-to-eat snack. Freeze grapes or berries for a cool treat on a hot day. When it comes to buying fruit, try to choose seasonal options when possible. Fruits that are in season tend to be fresher, more flavorful, and often less expensive. Plus, buying seasonal and local fruits can be better for the environment. If you're concerned about pesticides, you might want to consider buying organic for certain fruits. The Environmental Working Group publishes a yearly list called the Dirty Dozen, which lists fruits and vegetables that tend to have the highest pesticide residues. Strawberries and apples often make this list, so those might be good ones to buy organic if you can. When storing fruit, remember that not all fruits like the same conditions. Some fruits like bananas, apples, and pears give off a gas called ethylene as they ripen. This gas can cause other fruits to ripen faster, so if you want to speed up ripening, you can put these fruits together in a paper bag. But if you want your fruits to last longer, it's best to store them separately. In the end, the best fruit for you is the one you enjoy eating regularly. While some fruits might have more health benefits than others, the most important thing is to eat a variety of fruits as part of a balanced diet. Don't stress too much about eating the perfect fruits. Any whole fruit is going to be a nutritious choice. So next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market, why not try picking up a new fruit you haven't tried before? You might discover a new favorite that's not only delicious, but great for your health too. Happy fruit eating!